First competitor. Alright, very good. Our blue and gold macam and our chain and Mr. Gosana. Second competitor, please welcome Popeye. Come on, Popeye. Our blue and gold macam and our chain and Mr. Ryan. Okay guys, before we start this race, Popeye and Rainbow, they need a cheerleader. Now, let's divide you guys into two teams. Okay, first team, Team Popeye. For Team Popeye, from this line until to my right side, you guys will be cheer for Popeye. Okay, come on, let's have a practice. Shout Popeye name 3 times. Popeye, Popeye, Popeye. Okay, jerit nama Popeye 3 kali. Ready on count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Okay. Now, second team, Team Rainbow. For Team Rainbow, start from this line and to my left side. You guys will be cheer for Rainbow. Okay, Team Rainbow, let's shout Rainbow name 3 times. Rainbow, Rainbow, Rainbow. And for Team Rainbow, make sure you guys shout more loud than other team. Okay? Team Rainbow, jerit lagi kuat. You ready? On count. 1, 2, 3. Yes, nice. Okay, let's get ready. Popeye and Ringo. Okay. Alright, Popeye and Ringo. Okay, cheerleaders, make sure you guys shout as loud as you can. Let's pastikan jerit paling kuat. Ya nak? Popeye, Ringo, ready? Yes, good now. On your mark, get set and go. Faster, Popeye, come on. Ringo, faster, come on. Team Ringo, shout. Come on. Ringo, Popeye, come on, shout. Faster, Popeye, come on. And yeah! And the win is Ringo. Nice, Ringo. Oh, what's wrong?
Kira menang bapak ya, Ma.
Ringo cheating. Ringo cheating. Yeah, Mr. Ryan said Ringo is cheating. Yeah, you tipu ah. Okay. Wait, how about let's have a vote for now. If you guys think that Ringo is cheating, please put out your hand. Wow, Team Popeye. Okay, wait, I have a second question over here now. If you guys think that Ringo is technically smart, please put out your hand. Wow, that's no one. Okay guys, come on, please meet the Popeye. Thank you, Popeye. Alright guys, now we have our winner, Ringo, and we have prize for Ringo. Okay, kita ada hadiah untuk pemenang kita. Ringo, a sliding board. Okay, now Ringo will play sliding board. Let's see Ringo play. Okay, Ringo.
Itu loh.
Slide, okay. Wow, very nice. Okay, guys, come on. Let's get to Ringo. Nice play today, Ringo. Okay, a little info about Macau. Okay, their lifespan is about 40 to 50 years. A very long lifespan. Jangka hayat burung kakak tu adalah 40 tahun sehingga 60 tahun. Sangat panjang. Okay, now please welcome Poppy and Jody, our green wing Macau. Alright, Poppy, Jody. Okay, for Poppy and Jody, Mr. Rahat. Let's see what we have for them. Okay, wait, Poppy and Jody. Okay, over here we have a basketball court. Now we are going to see Poppy and Jody playing basketball together. Okay, macam mana? Burung kakak tu main bola keranjang. Okay, before that, this one is Poppy and this one is Jody. Okay, Jody is slightly bigger than Poppy. Okay, Jody is besar than Poppy. Now, Poppy, Jody, look at the ball. Okay, first ball, Poppy.
Ada bawa bola.
Okay, Jody, come on. First goal. Okay, second ball, Jody. Alright. And second bucket, last ball, Jody. Oh, okay, Poppy. Then goal! Wow, nice game, Poppy and Jody. Okay, Jody and you guys, we still have Poppy.